Hello, my name is Peyton Farnsley. I am in the Principles of Biology 2 class, and I'm going to be talking to you guys today about lice and how they have the most interesting adaptation for movement. Louse, which lice is plural for, are insects that live on externally warm hosts, which include almost all species of birds and mammals. They are in the phylum Arthropoda due to certain characteristics like jointed legs, open circulatory system, and bilateral symmetry. We are going to be talking about the jointed legs today and how they have the special adaptation you kind of get a glimpse of right here on their movement and how the legs are structured. They're in the, like I said, they're in the phylum Arthropoda. Their class is Insecta, and their scientific name for human lice is the Pediculus humanus. And my thesis is that the Pediculus humanus have the most interesting adaptation for movement. Lice are masters of moving through hairs on mammals and birds, and they have certain characteristics that help them do that. On each leg, they have 6. They have a spine and a tarsal claw. We'll look at a specific claw of that in the next slide. And these legs help them move through the individual hairs on the hosts. You kind of see right here the legs here. And this is a sucking louse, but we're specifically talking about the human louse today. Here up in the picture here is what we have. We're looking at the claw, and they have something called a spine, and they also have something called a tarsal claw, and this structure helps them move through individual hairs on the host. They cannot jump from hair to hair, rather they just use their legs to move quickly, and they use that spine and the tarsal claw in unison. Lice have these special legs and function, and most other insects do not have them. The only insects in the phylum or in the class even, that have the same legs are the ones in the same suborder and family. Why it is the most interesting is that most insects, let alone animals, have these type of legs for movement. A lot of animals do have claws, and this kind of resembles a claw structure like a crab or scorpion, but they do not specifically use them for movement. Rather, they use those for protection, and there are just not a lot of insects that use claws for movement. And these are my works cited. The pictures are cited individually on each page. Thank you.